Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to generate an AI character. So let's start the video. First, open your web browser and then go to Open Art. Then sign into your account or create a new account. Once you are on the home page, from here go to Character and click on Create a Character. Here you will see three different options. You can start from an image or describe your character, then build your character. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can describe your character and make one. Click on it. Now enter description of your character. You can include details such as gender and age, hair and eye color, clothing, personality, art style or background. Once you are done, click on this drop down and from here you can select Nano Banana Pro or any other option. And from here you can choose what type of character style you need. You can select photorealistic or digital art, anime, 3D, fantasy or any other. Click generate and wait for the AI to create your character. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.